How do I move the taskbar back to the bottom of the screen in Windows? Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how do I move the taskbar back to the bottom of the screen in Windows. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. So if the taskbar is located to right or left or at the top of the screen and you want to get your taskbar back to the bottom of the screen, then simply suppose if the taskbar is at the right of the screen, then you simply need to hold the taskbar and drag and drop to bottom of the screen. So if you wish further to make or move the taskbar at the top of the screen, you can simply move ahead and right click on your taskbar, click taskbar settings, and if you're on Windows 10, then the feature might be available to change your location. You can easily see the taskbar location and you can click on it and set it to top or simply to bottom as well. But unfortunately in Windows 11 we don't have that feature. So if you are using Windows 10, 7 or 8, then you can easily make or move the taskbar anyway as per your wish. So that is it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.